Welcome! Today we'll show you how to program a 5-button Atlas remote. Let's go! Programming an Atlas remote is easy. Before we begin, check that the batteries in your remote are working. If they have power, the remote buttons will light up when pressed. First, we'll show you how to program your remote using its code search feature. Start by turning on the device you'd like to control. You can turn the device on manually or with its original remote. On your remote, press the device button. Then, press and hold Setup until the device button blinks twice. Enter code 991. Point the remote at your device and press Channel Up. Wait 1 or 2 seconds for your device to power off. Continue this until your device turns off. Point the remote at your device and press Power. If your device does not turn on, press Channel Down and wait 1 or 2 seconds for the device to turn on. Continue this until your device turns on. Press and hold Setup to save the code. The device button will blink twice when the code is saved. Now we'll show you how to program your remote manually. Open the link to the Remote Control User's Guide located on this page. Here, you'll find the manufacturer's code for the device you'd like to control. Turn on the device you'd like to control. You can turn the device on manually or with its original remote. On your remote, press the device button. Then press and hold Setup until the device button blinks twice. Enter the device code. The device button should blink twice. If there's a long blink, the code entered is not valid. You'll need to repeat from the setup step using the next code for the brand. To test the remote, point it at your device and press Power. The device should turn off. If it doesn't turn off, repeat from the setup step using the next code for the brand. Consider keeping a record of the working code in case you need to reprogram your remote in the future. That's it! Now you know how to program your Atlas remote.